We're at the Bluebonnet swamp and we're going to go see what it looks like in the dark, because we've seen it multiple times in the daytime but never in the dark, and the kids are excited to see what they can spot.
A headlamp, and I need it so that I could see where I'm walking in the dark night. I could barely see anything down there.
It's awesome because it gives you something else to do other than the regular playgrounds, and going places and going back to nature I think is really important. The kids really enjoy it.
I'm excited to be here, and because I get to be with my friends, my mom and my little brother.
At least once or twice a week. We go to several different parks. This is just one of them, but we like all the parks around Highland, and Perkins Road is one of our favorites too. Well, it's a big city. There's lots of people, and different areas need to, all have resources for people to go to, and I think it's nice to have a difference in nature or just play, so it's great to have different options.
Alligators.
What else?
Turtles.
What else?